Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you where to find the BCM module, the body control module on Ford Fiesta Mk7 generation 2018-2017. Particularly here it's 2015 ST. So stay with us and we'll show you where to find it if you need to look for it or replace it. We have another video replacing it as well, but this is one just for the location. So short video. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. The glove box, okay, is right here now. And how you do that now? You need to empty everything out of it so you can take it out. And now you need to grab it on both sides here and on the other side, and when you do that you need to squish in, okay, and then pull the box out, and I'll show you why. Okay, look at that, you have those stops right here, so when you push in, okay, you can pull it out. Now you need to grab it with both hands and you pull it straight out, okay, and the glove box comes out. You can see that's where it attaches on the bottom. Okay, show you, okay, right here. So once you remove the glove box, okay, you can see those are the fuses right here, okay, but the BCM module, okay, it's this one, okay, right here. You can see right here you can remove the carpet on the bottom side and access it, but this is the BCM module, okay, with all the wiring, okay, right here made by Bosch. So that's where it is if you need it. So replacement one, we have another video how to do that. But as of right now, just location video. So all you have to do, just put the glove box in reverse order. We took it apart, and that will be the whole video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.